Turmeric and ginger are like cousins from the same family tree, originating from Asia. They've been extremely significant for traditional medicine in India and China for ages. You might have heard that turmeric is all about fighting inflammation, while ginger is a superstar for soothing your stomach. Mixing them together could be like a powerhouse team-up against inflammation-related issues such as arthritis and digestive problems. So, let's uncover the truth about these spices and how they can spice up your health while keeping an eye on any potential pitfalls. Benefits of turmeric and ginger. Turmeric and ginger have gained popularity for their perceived health benefits, but it's essential to separate fact from fiction. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow color, is often praised for its anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to a component called curcumin. Research suggests that curcumin may aid in managing inflammatory conditions like arthritis and metabolic syndrome. Studies indicate potential benefits for those with inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, the common cold, arthritis, and metabolic syndrome. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of these studies. They vary in size, quality, and dosage, and curcumin's poor absorption by the body complicates confirming its benefits. Similarly, ginger, with its distinct spicy flavor, is lauded for various health concerns. While it's commonly used for motion sickness and nausea relief, scientific evidence supporting this is inconclusive. However, ginger does show promise in other areas. Studies suggest it may alleviate pregnancy-related nausea, relieve pain in conditions like menstrual cramps and arthritis, improve markers of type 2 diabetes, and enhance symptoms of seasonal allergies. The anti-inflammatory potential. Chronic inflammation is implicated in the development of various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Both turmeric and ginger are lauded for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, offering potential relief from pain and protection against disease progression. Studies have shown that ginger extract can effectively reduce inflammation, as evidenced by decreases in inflammatory markers like nitric oxide and C-reactive protein, CRP. These findings suggest that ginger supplementation may hold promise in mitigating conditions characterized by chronic inflammation, such as osteoarthritis. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, demonstrates remarkable anti-inflammatory effects comparable to conventional anti-inflammatory medications like ibuprofen and aspirin. Research indicates that turmeric supplementation can significantly reduce levels of CRP, interleukin-6, IL-6, and malondialdehyde, MDA, all indicators of inflammation in the body. Pain relief and management. Both turmeric and ginger have been investigated for their ability to alleviate chronic pain, offering potential relief for conditions like arthritis and menstrual cramps. Curcumin, the primary bioactive compound in turmeric, has shown promise in reducing joint pain associated with arthritis. Studies suggest that curcumin supplementation can be as effective as certain pain medications in alleviating arthritis-related pain and improving physical function. Ginger root powder has demonstrated efficacy in reducing pain intensity and duration, particularly in conditions like osteoarthritis and menstrual pain. Additionally, ginger supplementation has been linked to reduced muscle pain following exercise, highlighting its potential as a natural pain management remedy. Immune support and function. The immune-boosting properties of turmeric and ginger have garnered attention, with many turning to these spices to bolster their defenses against illness and infection. Studies suggest that ginger possesses potent immune-boosting properties, with evidence indicating its efficacy against respiratory tract infections and seasonal allergies. Ginger extract has been shown to inhibit the activation of pro-inflammatory immune cells and alleviate symptoms associated with allergies and respiratory infections. Research suggests that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, exhibits antiviral properties and may help reduce the severity of respiratory infections like influenza. Additionally, both turmeric and ginger possess anti-inflammatory properties that can contribute to overall immune function. Alleviating nausea. Ginger has long been revered for its ability to soothe the stomach and alleviate nausea, whether due to pregnancy, motion sickness, or chemotherapy. Numerous studies have demonstrated ginger's efficacy in reducing pregnancy-related nausea, post-operative nausea, and motion sickness. Its ability to alleviate chemotherapy-induced nausea and gastrointestinal discomfort further solidifies its reputation as a natural remedy for nausea relief. While research on turmeric's effects on nausea is limited, some studies suggest that it may protect against digestive issues associated with chemotherapy, potentially reducing symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. While the existing evidence highlights the potential benefits of turmeric and ginger, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of current research. Many studies are confined to animal models, test tube experiments, or small-scale human trials, necessitating further investigation to elucidate the full extent of these spices' therapeutic effects in real-world settings. Combined benefits of turmeric and ginger. While research on the combined benefits of turmeric and ginger is limited, some studies offer promising insights. 1. Inflammation reduction. A study comparing an herbal supplement containing turmeric, ginger, and black pepper to a common anti-inflammatory drug found significant decreases in inflammation markers in participants with knee osteoarthritis. Black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption, potentially amplifying its benefits. 2. Synergistic effect. Another study suggests turmeric and ginger may have a synergistic effect in combating inflammation. While this study was conducted on animals and cells, it hints at the potential combined benefits for humans. Turmeric and ginger supplements are commonly available, often marketed for joint health or inflammation reduction. They usually come in capsule or pill form and are recommended to be taken with meals. Dosages may vary, with some studies suggesting splitting the total daily dose into smaller increments to aid absorption. There isn't a standardized recommended dose for combined turmeric and ginger supplements. Turmeric alone has shown benefits at doses ranging from 500 to 8,000 milligrams per day, while ginger is typically taken in doses of 0.5–3 g per day. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult healthcare providers before taking turmeric supplements due to higher concentrations than those found in food. Both turmeric and ginger are generally safe for healthy adults, but high-dose supplements may pose risks. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should exercise caution with turmeric supplements due to limited research on safety. It's essential to choose third-party tested supplements to ensure accuracy and safety, as some studies have found mislabeling and contamination issues in turmeric and ginger products. Turmeric and ginger may interact with medications affecting blood clotting, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Individuals taking anticoagulants, anti-diabetes medications, or blood pressure medications should consult healthcare providers before starting turmeric and ginger supplements. Turmeric and ginger offer potential health benefits, but it's vital to approach them with caution and skepticism. While studies suggest their efficacy in reducing inflammation and managing various conditions, more research is needed to confirm their combined benefits and ensure safety, particularly in high-dose supplements and specific populations like pregnant individuals. Choosing reputable supplements and consulting healthcare providers can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating turmeric and ginger into their wellness routines. Remember, moderation and balance are key to reaping the potential rewards of these flavorful spices without undue risk. While you're focusing on your health, be sure to visit our sponsor, HealthKick. We provide an extensive array of products to enhance your wellness journey, from health awareness tools to fitness gear. Explore their store at HealthKick to discover what they have to offer and take steps towards a healthier you. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your health. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.